Hi everyone, welcome to The Grace Life. So in this video today we have a collaboration and it's part of the Christmas exclusive decor club, and that's hosted by glamelegantliving. This is part of a series called Christmas in July, and we will be posting on the 10th, the 17th, the 24th, and the 31st. So now the co-hostesses of this collab are JRC Restoration Decor and Designs, the Rodgers House, Sister Cousins Lifestyle, Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things, Happy Hoarder, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. That's me. So I'm going to be linking below all of the channels of the co-hostesses and the hosts, also the playlist. So all we ask is that you full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and head on over to the playlist so that you can have some fun getting ideas for your holiday season. So jumping into the video, we're going to be making a glam centerpiece here for the King of Kings. We will be using a thrifted candle holder, and now we're embellishing this pail bucket that I purchased at the Dollar Tree in the silver section. So I went ahead and I spray painted this metallic silver. It was originally clear, and now we're embellishing it with that bling chain. So let's jump into it so you can see the end result. So what you're seeing me do here is embellish this pail with some royal pieces for the King of Kings. So look how beautiful this came out. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm very happy with the results of that. Now it's time to glue it on to the candle holder. Then I decided to add a bow to the candle holder of the truck carrying the Christmas tree. It is so cute, I couldn't resist. Okay, so now I'm absolutely loving the results of this. Let's move on to the florals. Here I'm placing inside of the pail some boxwood. I do have some pomegranates and some fall florals, some sunflowers, and I'll just show you as I move along. Also some cotton stumps because we can't forget those. We're almost done with this arrangement. Now we're going to get ready for the reveal. I'm so excited. Decorate a tabletop with this. So let me show you what I created.